Behind his house, my father's dogs sleep in kennels, beautiful, he built just for them. They do not bark. Do they know he's dead? They wag their tails and head. They beg and are fed. Their grief is colossal and forgetful. Each day they wake, seeking his voice. Their names, by dusk, they seem to unremember everything. To them, even hunger is a game. For that I envy, for that I cannot bear to watch them pacing their cage. I try to remember they love best confined spaces to feel safe each day. A saint comes by to feed the pair, and I draw closer the shades. I've begun to think of them as my father's other sons, as kin, brothers and paw. My eyes each day thaw. One day the water cuts off, then back on. They are outside dogs, which is to say, healthy and victorious, purposeful, and one giant muscle like the heart. Dad taught them not to bark, to point out their prey, to stay. Were they there that day? They call me like witnesses and will not say. I ask for their care and their carelessness. Wish of them forgiveness. I must give them away. I must find for them homes. Sleepless, restless in his all night, I expect they pace as I do, each dog like an eye, roaming with the dead beneath an unlocked lid.